Yesterday was the federal fund rate, and we see that Fed cut interest rates by 25 basic points. Look at what happened in the market right here. Market dumped right down, okay? And this very dump, I knew quite well that this was a liquidity grab, because you see, before the price of this very market dump to this very point, you see market hold at this very area. However, prior to that interest rate cut, market has been dumping all the way to the downside. So price have already dumped, okay, before the interest rate release and the FOMC statement. So if you see further dump, I can guarantee you 80% of the time that dump will not last. Market is going to reverse. And the exact same thing happened at this very point. Market began to push up. So immediately market push up a little bit. I was very sure that market is going to move all the way to the upside. And that is why we took this very trade on the Telegram channel. This is USDJPY buy. This is the entry, okay, to be very accurate. This is the take profit target. We've not hit target, but almost at target. And then this is the SL. Of course, you risk 1% equity and risk what you can afford to lose. That's trading. And right now, you see that we are already in plus 220 plus pips profit, okay? And this is very, very crazy. And I said that market is going to buy hard. It will buy hard. And people on this channel should not miss this very trade. That means if you join this channel right now, you'll be receiving trade like this. This kind of call is the kind of call that I don't miss, not at all. So if you want to receive signal, technical analysis like this and many more, join this channel right now. Link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. So the question is, what next for the price of USDJPY from here moving forward? Very important. Now, if you look at it, you discover that market is just moving, okay? I am looking at the market moving upward, okay, into this level of important resistance. So market move upward, we should see rejection from here, okay? And then market is going to continue moving all the way to the upside. Why? Because if you come to the 1-day chart, you discover that market has been coming all the way to the downside, okay? Market has been coming down. And this move was just made a few months ago. Okay, that was in August. And then here is consolidation. So once we see market break out of this level of resistance right here, I'm going to see the market begin to move all the way to the upside in favor of the USD, the US dollars. And this is what you should pay attention to as well, to be in the right direction of the market. The most important chart here is the fact that we are in massive profit plus 220 pips profit. Look at it right here. This is crazy, guys. And this is very, very important, because if you make this kind of profit, even though in the whole week is good enough for you to be profitable in trading. And that is why being in a community like this is very, very important, because the signal I drop right here is not every day, but accurate 90%, 95% signal. That is what I drop right here. And that is why you need to join. Link in the description of this video. So on the 4-hour chart, I am looking at the market moving into this area, hit our target, come back down, and continuation to the upside, or market just break through this very level of important resistance that we see right here. Market just move upward and then come back down to retest this level that is resistance on support, and then market should begin to move all the way to the upside. This is what I am now paying attention to on the price of USDJPY. Very important. And this is very important, especially once we see this breakout and we see a close above this very resistance on the 1-day chart, USDJPY, I'll be very sure that the market have greater capacity of moving all the way to the upside from this point moving forward if this happens. And this is what you need to pay attention to as well, to be in the right direction of the market. And if you look at Euro USD, discover that the same thing happened on Euro USD. market move upward, grab liquidity from this very area, okay, and afterward market begin to come back down. So from here I am expecting the market to retrace. It is covered that market did not really move much on Euro USD compared to what we see right here on USDJPY. So on Euro USD, market should move down a little bit into this very area before retracement and then continuation. So this is what I'm expecting. Market should come back down a little bit. This very point is where I'm expecting market to enter into before retracement. That means we should expect market continuation from here to the downside before retracement into this very level and then continuation back down. Of course, we need to also understand that the Eurozone is very, very strong. That is, the Euro is very strong, so we should not expect much crazy move to the downside in favor of the USD on Euro USD. Very important. And the reason why we are seeing this very price action on USDJPY moving upward is because the JPY is very weak right now. Not very, very weak, but the US dollar is stronger than the JPY right now. And of course, there is stability in the US economy, which means positive US dollar sentiment. Market is going to move in favor of the USD. So from here, I am expecting market to come back down on the Euro USD, retracement, and then continuation back down. And of course, if market just move into this area and break out, then the next level is going to be around this very point. Then retracement, this very support act as resistance, and then continuation back to the downside. One thing very important here is that many of these analysis, when it plays out, and what I'll be looking out for in the future, I'll be dropping it right here on this channel, just like I do drop right here, okay? So join the channel right now, link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. It is a free Telegram channel. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now, guys. It's very important on price action for USDJPY. Market is still going to move upward. However, this very resistance will resist the market from moving upward, and a retracement is needed once the market hit this point, retracement for continuation. And that is what you need to pay attention to right now, especially if you trade USDJPY. And don't forget to join this channel to receive many more update signal like this, plus 220 pips profit all the way to the upside. It's a very hard bullish move and it's going to continue. So this is what I am not expecting on this very price action. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like on this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex contents. And if you want to watch my other videos on this channel, check this video out. It's going to help you a lot. And check this video out as well. It's going to help you greatly. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.